Yes, shall we start? Yes, children. In previous class, the things what we discussed, what are factors? Factor is a exact divisor of the given number. Yes or no? What is factor, children?
Mama, factor is exact
Divisor. Yes, if suppose
and it has only two factors. If it has two factors, it's called as a
prime number. Very good. Suppose only two factors, such a numbers, we call it as prime numbers. More than two factors, we call it as composite numbers. And which is the factors are finite. Yes or no? Can we count factors?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes. What about the multiples? Wait, opposite.
Multiples
We can't. They're
are
infinite, ma'am. They are
Yes,
infinite.
multiples are infinite. Which is the least multiple number itself is the least one. Which is the biggest multiple means we cannot. But coming to factors, number one and the
the number itself.
Yes, itself is the factor to all the numbers. And co-prime numbers. So one as a common factor, only one, no other numbers. Only number one as a common factor, such a numbers we call it as a
One and the number itself are called
prime. Those are prime. I'm asking about co-primes. Co-primes means only one as a common factor. Yes. And what about even and odd numbers, Rishita? Yes. What about even and odd numbers? Yes, Riyansh, what are
Even ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, even numbers can exactly be divided by 2 and odd number is not divisible by 2.
What are Riyansh? What are even numbers? Can you please give some clues to find out even numbers? Yes, suppose units digit.
Ma'am, it should be divided. It should exactly be divided by 2, ma'am.
Exactly divide with the 2. That means units place digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes.
Ma'am, units place should be any even number.
Even number. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, even number only until 8, ma'am.
Yes. What are odd numbers which are not divisible by 2? Those are called odd numbers. Very good. And Riyansh, no, Tanvi. Tanvi, are you there? Tanvi? Yes, Tanvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What are perfect numbers between 1 to 100?
Ma'am?
What are perfect numbers between 1 to 100?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say, ma'am?
If the sum of all the factors of a number is twice
Very good.
or multiplied by 2, the number is called a perfect number.
Very good, Tanvi. Can you please give the only, it's an amazing fact, only two numbers we have in between 1 to 100. What are those two numbers? Perfect.
Mama, Mama, can I say?
Vedant, I'm coming to you. Yes, Vedant. Tanvi, are you giving?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Tanvi, are you giving answers? What are perfect numbers between 1 to 100?
Ma'am, I really can't hear, ma'am.
Yes, Sadvika?
Ma'am,
but the smallest multiple is 0. Why? Because in our second class they thought of as like 2 into 0 is equals to 0.
Yes, 0 multiplied with any number is 0.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes, Vedant, I'm asking about perfect numbers.
It is 6 and 28. 6 and 28. Yes.
Very good. 6 and 28. Oh, yes, both are correct. Good. Let me go with our original concept, children. Today's part is divisibility rules.
Ma'am, in tomorrow's test we will get this full chapter or only the only the
multiple types of numbers, divisibility rules.
Okay. Types of number. Okay.
And the divisibility rules. Yes, you see, children, I think you are able to see my screen.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you just look at the screen. There are different numbers here. Divisibility rules are given. The first divisibility rule is exactly given here. What is the first divisibility rule by 2? I want Advika, can you read the divisibility rule of 2? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the divisibility rule of 2?
Yes, ma'am. A given number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is any of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Example 4, 2, 6, 8, 1, 3, 4 is divisible by 2, while 3, 1, 1, 2, 6, 6, 3, 1, 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 2, 9 is not
You know number,
divisible
how
by
to read number. Can you read the number in yes, read the number as Indian system.
Yes, ma'am. 3 crore 11 lakh 26,700 and
No. Please go ahead.
429.
Objection, ma'am.
Vedant.
Ma'am, can I tell the third?
Yes, Vedant, can you read the
Ma'am, can I
number?
tell? This is Om single, ma'am. Can
No,
I?
no, no. Vedant, read it, the number. Can you please read in Indian system?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can Rishita?
Ma'am, it's 31 crores.
Yes, very good. 31 crores.
31 crores, 12
31
lakhs.
crore, not crores. 31 crore.
31 crore, 12 lakhs.
Yes.
67,429.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good.
It's correct, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct.
Om,
Yes.
can you read this number?
Yes, ma'am. I will. It is 42 lakh 68,134
Again, 42 lakhs. No, 42
lakh. I go by the lakh,
lakhs.
ma'am.
Yes.
42 lakh 68,134.
Very good, Nana. Now, Advika is telling the first number. If the number was 42 lakhs 68,134 was divisible by 2. By looking only, she said it is yes, it is divisible by 2.
Because
How
this, ma'am, because the last digit of the number is 4, ma'am, which is
Yes.
which comes
Which is
in 4
a-
table, which is divisible by 2.
Which is even number.
Because
All
it's
even
an
numbers
even
are
number.
divisible by. All even numbers are divisible by.
0, 2, 4, 6,
All even
8,
numbers are divisible by what number?
2.
2.
Very good. Divisible by 2. Good. Next. Suppose
Mama,
you
build
see
up.
31 crore 12 lakh 67,429. This is another number. You see units place. Units place means last digit. Last digit. What is last digit, children?
9, ma'am. It's an
And
odd number.
which is not divisible
Odd
by, it's
number.
an odd number, and third is not divisible by 2.
Yes, odd number. So it is not divisible by. It is not divisible by.
2.
Yes, divisible by 2.
Ma'am, can I read the third divisibility rule?
Now, yes, one by one. Now, hope you understood, children. What is divisibility rule of 2?
Yes, ma'am.
2 rule means end digit. That means end digit, last digit, or units place digit should be even. Even means what are even numbers? It should be either 0. Last
Zero.
digit should be either 0. Suppose I'm
2,
giving
4.
4, 2, 6, 8. That's all. These numbers you are seeing, yes, it is divisible by 2. Now
Even
coming
6, ma'am.
now divisibility rule of 3. Vedant,
Yeah, ma'am.
please read divisibility rule of
Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Example, 25,277 is divisible by 3 as
It is
sum
2
of
lakh 52,000.
yeah, reading numbers is more important when 2 lakh.
It is 2 lakh 52,771.
Yes,
Mama.
yes, 2
2 lakh 52,777
We have to find this
71 is divisible by 3 as sum of its digits.
Yes.
2 plus 5 plus
Yes.
2.
Yes, Riyansh. What is the sum of digits here?
Ma'am, 24.
Yes, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus
2
7.
plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 1.
What is the sum? You can see this 2 plus 8, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 16 plus 8.
23, 23 plus 1,
24.
23 plus 1, 24. Which is
24
by 3 into
24
3
will
into
come
8.
in 3 tables today. Yes or
3
no?
into 8. It is 3
Yes
into
or
8.
no?
3 8
Yes, 24 by 3 is
3 8 is 24.
Yes, 8.
3
Sir.
8 is
So it
24.
is
So it's
exactly
divisible.
divisible. So that we can say that divisible rule of 3 is satisfied here. So given number is divisible by. Now my question to the student Rishi Akshara. Akshara, are you there, ma? Akshara. Akshara is there in our class.
I think so. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Advika.
Yes, ma'am. She is there, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
Akshara. Please respond, Akshara. Akshara, please
Ma'am,
respond.
did you call me?
Yes, Akshara. 2.
Ma'am, I'm Karthik.
No, I'm calling Akshara.
Okay, ma'am.
2 3 7 2 3 7 is divisible by 3 or not? Akshara should
Ma'am, can I
answer.
tell?
Akshara should answer, please.
Ma'am, can I please?
Yes, mom. There are many bits we will discuss. Akshara, please. How many of you know? Please let me raise your hands. Yes. And Varshit Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Varshit.
Ma'am, shall I answer, ma'am?
Yes, Varshit Krishna, please answer.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, if we can check that if 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 2, ma'am, is 12. So, 12 is divisible by 3. The number is also divisible by 3.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Suppose you see, yes, Akshara, I think, are you able to hear me right now? I think she has a network issue. Next, my question to Hariharan. Hariharan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hariharan, you see, this is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it divisible by? Is it divisible by 3 or not?
No, ma'am. No, same.
Ma'am, we need to add all, ma'am.
Yes, you need to add. If you add, what is the answer you will get?
I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, 21.
No,
21.
children, please wait, children. I'm calling the student. Let them respond. Hariharan. Hariharan, are you there? Karthik Verma. Karthik Verma.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Ma'am, it is divisible by 3, ma'am.
Yes, it is the given number. This is my number. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It is divisible by 3.
Why? Why?
Because 3 sevens is
3 sounds.
3 sevens is 21.
Yes, it is together. What is the answer, children? 6 plus 4, 10, 15, 15, 21. Yes, very good. 21, exactly divisible. 21 comes in 3 table. So the given number is divisible by 3. Very good. No doubt in this divisibility rule of 3, right, children? Sum of the digits. What you can say? Sum of the digits should be exactly divisible by 3. Sum of digits.
Yes,
So means whatever the number was given, you can add up all the digits in the given number. So the result, whatever the result you are getting, that result should be exactly divisible by
3.
3. Then we can say that given number is divisible by 3. Now, Advika, please go read the 4th rule, the divisibility rule of 4. Advika, are you there? Advika, are you there? No, she is not there.
Ma'am, can I read now?
Yes, ma'am. She is there, ma'am.
She is there?
Ma'am, she is there, but she is not responding.
Advika, are you there? A few students only.
Yes,
sitting.
ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, please, I'm asking divisibility rule 4. Can you please read the divisibility rule 4?
Yes, ma'am. A number is divisible by 4 if last two digit of number is divisible by 4, or the number end with double zeros. For example,
Yeah, that's okay. Children, divisibility
21 lakh,
rule, D rule 4, divisibility rule 4, you just see,
21 lakh 34.
suppose my phone number, you just, I'm roughly, I'm taking 4809, how many numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, more 4 I supposed to write, and 2800, you think this is my number. In this number, last two digits, if you check last two digits,
It's 0, ma'am. It is divisible by 4.
what are last two digits, children? 0, 0. If last two digits are 0, 0, or my another phone number was 98480 928 6016. So in this case, what are my last two digits?
In this, the last digit is divisible by 4, ma'am. 16, ma'am. Last digit is 16. 16 is divisible by 4. So it is, we can say it is divisible by 4.
Exactly. Whatever the big number, children, you don't think about big. You only check only last two digits. Only you need to see last two digits. What are last two digits? Units digit and tens digit. Either both should be 0, 0. The given number is divisible by 4, or last two digits should be exactly divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Then we can say that a given number is exactly divisible by 4. Hope you understood, children, divisibility rule 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Only you need to check last two digit. 4 rule means check with the last two digit. No need of seeing every number. 3 rule means you have to add up all the digits and divisible, whether it is divisible by 3 or not.
Ma'am, 3 and 9 rule are the same, ma'am.
Yeah,
3
ma'am,
and the
both
9
same.
rule
4
are the
and
same.
8 are same. 3 and 9 are same. And
4 and 8 are same, ma'am, because we should like in 4 we
Same.
should take 2.
Ma'am, and 6 and 12 is also same, ma'am. Because 6 shows 2 and 3. If it is the number is divisible by 2 and 3, and 12, so if the number is divisible by 3 and 4, so it is easy. Same
yes.
rule.
Next question to Soumya. Soumya,
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, please, divisibility rule 5.
Ma'am, reading divisibility.
Yes, yes, read the divisibility rule 5.
Okay, ma'am. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit place digit is either 0 or 5.
Last digit. Last digit.
Ma'am, the last digit should be 0 or 5, ma'am. Then it
Unit
will be
digit.
divisible, ma'am.
Or unit digit we can call, or ones place digit. These are
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, if the number, last number of any
0,
because in
0
ma'am, 0
or
or 5.
5.
Ma'am, because in the multiples of 5, ma'am, whenever we see ending with
every
5 or
number
0.
Multiples of 5,
5.
easily you can check, children. You can see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Only units place you are going to get 0 and 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, I gave 2 roll numbers here. Which roll number, sorry, which phone number is divisible by 5?
Ma'am, first one, ma'am,
First one.
9848
First one. Why? Because the last digit
would be 0.
0. Very good. Last digit or units digit or ones place digit be either 0 or 5. Then we can say that the given number is divisible by 5. Very good. Next question to the student. Yes. Sri Goda. Yes, Sri, are you there, ma? Yes, Sri, are you there? Children, if you are there, please respond. Honey,
Ma'am, can I tell Mama Viram?
Vedant, wait. Hanit, are you there?
Can I?
No, I'm calling Hanit. Hanit, are you there?
Ma'am, here's my question.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
someone's voice is
Karthik
breaking.
Verma. Karthik Verma.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Karthik Verma. Divisibility rule 6. No,
I
divisibility
need
rule
check your
10.
network.
No, 10. Divisibility rule 10 you can read, Nana.
A number is divisible by 10 if the unit place digit of given number is 0. Example,
Yes. You give your own example, ma. D rule, divisibility rule 10. You need to check only last digit. Last digit be? Last digit should be?
0.
Yes. Should be
Like
0. Can you please give few examples, Verma?
to 21,110.
Very good. 20, 100, 2000, 2 lakhs. Yes, last digit should be either 0 or you can, yes, 10. Is it 15 is divisible by 10?
No, no, ma'am.
Why so?
No, ma'am.
Why
Ma'am,
so?
It
because
doesn't
it
end
doesn't
in
end
0.
with 0.
Very good, very good.
Zero.
This divisibility rule 5 and rule 10 are very similar, children. Rule 5 is either 0, last digit should be either 0 or 5, and rule 10 is last digit should be either only 0. Then we can say that divisible by any number, given number is divisible by 10. Now coming to the discussion part, we did 5 rule is over, 4 rule is also over, and 3 rule is over. And the 9 rule you see, children, divisibility rule of 9. Akshara, can you read right now? Akshara. Akshara, divisibility rule 9. Akshara, are you able to speak with me right now? Riyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Divisibility rule 9, please go through the read the
A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9.
Is it
Sum
which
of
rule
the
very similar to which
divisible by-
rule it is? Riyansh?
Ma'am, it's divisibility rule of 3, ma'am. It's
Very
same.
good. Very similar to divisibility rule 3 and rule 9 are very similar, children. In rule 3 also we discussed the same thing. Sum of the digits should be divisible by, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3.
9.
Here that sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. We
9.
can say that given number is exactly divisible by 9. You see
9.
here 2, 8. What is the number? Can you read, Riyansh, the number?
Yes, ma'am. 2,84,796.
In this number, can you please add the sum of all the digits?
Yes, ma'am. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 13. Ma'am, it's 36.
36 will come in 9 table.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now 9 how many times 36?
From 9 fours are.
Very good. 9 fours are 36. So it is exactly divisible by 9. Now
Ma'am?
you understood, children, what is divisibility rule 9? Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Then we can say the divisibility. Now 4 rule and 8 rule are very similar. What is 4 rule? Last 2 digits.
For rule, ma'am, can I say ma'am?
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, for fourth rule, we should check the last 2 digits, which are 1s and 10s. And for the divisibility rule for the 8, we should check the last 4 digits, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Last
about
digit.
it.
Rule 3. Last 3 digits you should see, not 4 digits. Yeah.
Oh, I got confused.
Yes,
It is written right. If the number, one correction, there should be the rule 8. One should be the rule 8 is if the last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8 or last 3 digits are 0, 0, 0.
Very good.
000.
Last 3 digits are zeros, or you can see the last 3 digits should be no need of checking our complete number. Only last 3 numbers you see whether it is divisible by 8 table. You can write the given number is divisible.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, like what if it is like a small number, ma'am?
Suppose it's only 2-digit number.
Yeah, ma'am. Like
A
if it
very
is
good
like
question asked by Vedant. Vedant, very simple thing, Vedant. Suppose the number is only 2 digits. Ma'am, you said whether the given number is divisible by 8 means you just asking to suppose my number was 24, only 24. I don't have here. So can I keep 0 here?
yes, ma'am.
0, 24. 24 only comes under 8 table or not?
Yeah, ma'am, it comes.
Yes, it is divisible. Suppose number 0, 3, 6, only 36 is there. Whether it is divisible by 8 or not.
Ma'am, it's divisible.
36 will come in 8 table?
32 would come, ma'am.
No. Suppose 92. Come on, children, is it divisible by 8?
Don't know, ma'am.
No. So
No, ma'am.
suppose the number 0, 0, 0 is there. Last 3 digits are 0. Yes, it is divisible by
8 because
yes. If only a small number, you can make it as zeros, Nana. There is no confusion in that.
okay, ma'am.
Last 3 digits should be either exactly divisible by 8 or it should be divisible by it should be zeros. The digit should be zeros. Then we can say that given number is exactly divisible by 8. That's why I'm telling 4 rule is only last 2 digits and 8 rule is last 3 digits we need to check. Now coming to the rule 6. If you see the rule 6, rule 6 can be written as a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. If it is divisible by both 2 and 3.
We can take an example of
If you want to check
18.
with the 6 rule, suppose my number was
18.
yes, the whatever the example was given here, 254784. 254784. 254,784. Whether it is divisible by 6 or not. First, what I should check, children? I should check with the 2 table. 2 rule, yes, it is true. So I should check with the 3 rule. 3 rule means sum of all digits. Sum of all digits 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4. 7, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 26, 26 plus 4.
24.
30 is divisible by 3. Yes. Yes. Now you can say that the 2 rule true, 3 rule true.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we can say that 6 rule is also true. If any one rule fails means suppose you see 22.
Ma'am,
22 is
Ma'am,
number is divisible by 6 or not means you check with first 2 table, 2 rule.
It's not.
Yes, it is
It's
2 rule
divisible.
is true. So go with the 3 rule. 3
No,
rule
ma'am,
means
it's not.
2
2
plus
plus 2, 4, it doesn't
4.
come.
4 is not divisible. So the number is not. Any one case fails also. Either 2 rule fails or 3 rule fails. Any one rule fails. We can say that the rule is not true for divisibility. Rule is not satisfied for the given number 6. This is one more basic rule, children. Now there is no 7 rule. 7 rule was very important. I'll give one 7 rule right now.
Mama thought of asking you, ma'am. Mama thought of asking you. You told me in the last class you were going to tell
I will give very easiest method for you, children. One of the boy like you, 12 years old boy is playing, African boy is playing with numbers because the chapter name it seems playing with numbers. He is continuously playing with the numbers. He found a very beautiful relation, some part of the thing. That is Chica's test. 7 rule. I'll let you know, children. Just a minute. I'll clear my screen so that I can help you. 7 rule with easy manner, so you can understand more better that 7 rule is more easier than all other rules.
Ma'am, I think it is much harder because I read in I will get all the other rules, but I will not get the 7 and this 11.
Okay, I will. We will see
No,
that.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
I will not. I don't know 11. Sorry, 7.
11
What's the
and 7 are very easy. I will let you know. Alternative digit sum should be either zeros or it should be multiples of 11, that's 11 rule. And
Ma'am,
seven
I
rule-
think for 11 it should be the sum of even numbers in the even digits
Ma'am, the 7 has any
odd digits, ma'am.
When the
What's the
7 have
alternate
any
digits,
divisibility
ma'am?
rule?
Sum of
Would 7
alternate
have?
digits. Yes,
The 7
okay.
have any?
Ma'am, I think it is the sum of even digits and minus the sum of odd digits, the result which we get if it is divisible by 11, then the whole number will
I
be.
think my students are vigorously waiting. Yes, sir. Now you are vigorously waiting for rule 7, children.
Yes, ma'am. I have never learned about the rule 7.
Okay. Suppose we are going with a small example like 7028. I need to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. For that, I need to see the units place. What is my units place, children?
8.
8. I should make as a twice of number. What is 8 2 times?
16.
16. Now 702. Whatever the rest of the bits, you need to subtract this. So 702 minus 16. 700 minus 16 means
Ma'am, it's 600.
600 and
87.
80. No 7. No 7 because even number you may get. 12 minus 6.
4. 684.
86, right? Yes or no? You are not subtracting. If you have any doubt, you can go with like that, children. Okay, ma'am, I am unable to catch the point. You can go like that.
Ma'am, you should take from the right.
12 minus 6, 6, 9 minus 1, 8, 698. Now you check 698. What is your last digit, children?
6.
6. You just twice the last digit. What is
It's
this?
12.
12. Now what is leftover digits here?
Minus.
68 minus 12, how much?
Ma'am, it's 56.
8 minus 2, 6.
Yeah.
It's 56. 56 will come in 7 table or not?
8. Ma'am, 7, 8.
8.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? It is.
Yes, ma'am.
So that we will say that a given number is exactly divisible by 7. Hope you understood, children. Only we are doing last digit. We are making as a twice of
Can I
the.
tell the divisibility rule of 15, 18 and 25 also, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. We will go with the 7 rule. Hope you understood, children. Who said tough? 7 rule?
Varshit, ma'am.
Okay, 7028. Next.
Ma'am, actually I read in this big book, ma'am.
No. You see, children, this number is divisible by 7 or not. First, what I said, children. Units
Ma'am,
place
last digit.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be 4.
4. You just subtract from the
Ma'am, I
rest
have
of the
the-
digits. Rest of the digits you can subtract.
Ma'am,
I
it
have
will
a
be 70280.
70280. Now, last digit make as a twice.
Ma'am, it will be 0 only.
0. If you subtract rest of the digits means you will get 7028 only. Now, once again, make a last digit twice.
Ma'am, it will be 16.
702
Again, the upper thing only, ma'am.
702 minus 16. What is
Ma'am,
702?
686.
Huh?
686.
686. Now, once again, make it twice the
I
last.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, 12.
12.
68
68 minus 12.
Ma'am, 56.
56 will come in 7 table.
Yes, ma'am. 8, 7, 8.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Ron, please tell what's your
You have been taking only 2.
only
But why are we taking 2 multiplying them?
twice the number. That is the rule 7. Rule 7 means
We have to twice it.
no. You just what is the thing? Units place digit. You have to make it as a twice. So once you make it as twice, you need to subtract from the remaining digits. The result you need to subtract from the remaining digit. If still you feel that bigger number, you can the same procedure can be repeatedly done for till you will comfort. whether it is divisible by 7. Like that.
Ma'am, even 36,552 is also divisible, ma'am.
36,000, please let me know.
Ma'am, 36,552.
See, he is telling that you just simply last digit twice it. It becomes a 4. Subtract from 3655.
Ma'am, it's 3,651.
Make it twice the last digit.
2.
2 minus 365.
Ma'am, it's 363.
It is 363. 363 last digit twice it.
6.
Yes, twice it.
6, ma'am.
36 minus 6. 30. 30 is not divisible by 7. It's no, the number is not divisible by 7.
Ma'am, then what about 875, ma'am?
875. Very good. 875 twice, make it as twice. It becomes 10. 87 minus 10 is 77. Yes, 77 is exactly divisible 11 times. 11 sevens are 77. Yes, it is divisible. 875 is divisible. Like that, you need to check any doubt in 7 rule. Riyansh, Tanvi, Vika, Hariharan, Akshara.
7th rule is very easy.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, for me, 7th rule is very hard. 7th rule is very easy.
Very easy, children. I'm telling only one step, children. You have last place, last digit you need to make as a twice. It's very simple. You did not get any textbook this rule. Only they will give some other way, but it is easiest way. Please remember these things.
Ma'am, can we play divisibility rules? A quiz, a small quiz I have it. It's 10 questions only, ma'am. Ma'am said quiz on divisibility rules, ma'am. It's just 10 questions, ma'am.
Yeah, we will do that. That's not an issue. And the last 11 rule.
Because we have only 9 minutes.
Yeah, 11 rule, please check it, children. Only one rule is left. We will finish that. Then we will go with the.
Ma'am, can I tell 11th rule, ma'am?
Alternative digits, Nana. Alternative digits.
Ma'am, I did not tell the 7th rule, ma'am. I told the 11th rule, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Yes, please. What's the 7th, 11th rule, please?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, for 11th rule, ma'am.
First, read in our textbook, Nana. Please read. There is a given rule, right? Please go through, read it.
Okay, ma'am. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places is either 0 or completely divisible by 11.
Very good. That means if any number, if you take, children, suppose I'm taking the same number like earlier what we are taking, 7, 0, 2, 8, 4, 2. Alternative digits. Alternative digits means what, Nana?
Ma'am, even
like one, you should.
If I'm taking first digit, I should leave the second one.
One number and second number.
Yeah. These numbers are other alternative numbers. Now I can add up these 7 plus 2 plus 4 I can add, and here 0 plus 8 plus 2 I can add. The result should be 7 plus 4 11 13. Here 8 plus 2 10. The difference of these two numbers 13 minus 10 and 3 is not divisible in
11 table.
11 table.
Yes, ma'am, the correct rule is, ma'am, it's not alternative, ma'am, but alternative, okay, ma'am, but it's alternative of even and odd numbers, ma'am.
Only simple technique you remember, children. Alternative digits, sum of alternative digits should be either, the difference of sum of alternative digits should be either 0 or it should be 11 multiple. Then we can say that 11 rule is true. Hope you understood, children.
Yes, ma'am, but in the textbook also, ma'am, it is showing that the odd digits and even digits, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine, children. For your understanding, you can, which one your method is easy for you, you can keep remember like that. Suppose in our textbook 6, 5, 8, 4, 9, 1, 9. What are alternative digits, Nana? If I started with the 6, 8 is next alternative. Next alternative is 9, then 9. What are other set of alternative digits? These are
541.
now you have to add up 5 plus 4 plus 1, the sum, and another
10.
sum is 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus
9 plus
8
9.
plus 9 plus 9. What is the sum here? What is
Ma'am,
the
9
sum?
plus 9, 18, ma'am.
18 plus 26. 26 plus 6, 32, Nana. 32. Here down 5 plus 4, 1, 10.
10, ma'am.
32 minus 10, 22. 22 is
is
divisible in 11 table. Yes or no? 11 twos are 22.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain, ma'am?
Yes, we
That
will
is
go with a small quiz right now. That's all for the day.
Ma'am.
Any doubts in divisibility rules?
No, ma'am, they're easy. Ma'am, send you the link,
Ma'am, can I
ma'am.
tell the divisibility rules for 12, 15, 18 and 25?
1 minute.
Ma'am, will you play
If you
quiz?
understood all the divisibility rules, raise your hand so that I can understood who are not understand. If you are not getting, please put IDK in your chat box so that I can help which rule you are not getting.
Ma'am, should we raise our hands if we don't understand them, ma'am?
No, if you understood, you can raise your hands. So who are not understand, you just please.
Ma'am, actually, I read these things in all this book, ma'am. This one.
Okay, I can see all the students raise the hands except 3. Who is this? Sri Goda.
Ma'am, Ryan,
Honey.
and Sri Goda.
Rayan,
Need, ma'am.
Rayan, which rule is you have doubt?
Ma'am, can you tell 11th one more time, ma'am?
11 rule. Okay. Yeah, see children, 11 is alternative disease. Suppose, can you please give one number, Riyansh? Any one number. Any one 5 digits?
Ma'am,
8,
ma'am,
87,000.
8,720.
20. Now, alternative digit. Alternative means if I'm taking first, I can leave the second, then I will take the third. So now what are alternative digits here?
Ma'am, even numbers.
What are that numbers? Not only even numbers. Alternative numbers means
Ma'am, there is numbers also, ma'am.
even 8 plus 2 is one pair of alternative numbers, and 7 plus 0 is another pair of alternative numbers. This sum should be 10, this sum should be 7. If I subtract these, what is the result? 3. 3 is not divisible by 11. So this is not divisible by 11.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood, Nana? Riyansh, can I give one more example?
Yes, ma'am.
Riyansh, give, suppose I'm taking a number like a 2, 3, 4,
Can I
5,
tell the number, ma'am?
7,
Ma'am, can I tell the
8,
number?
8, 1. Now this is divisible by 11 or not means what is alternative digit here?
Ma'am, 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. What is another pair of alternative digits?
Ma'am, 3, 5, 7, 1.
Very good. 3, 5, 7, 1. Can you add these numbers, alternative pair, sum of digits, please?
Yes, ma'am.
6 plus 4, 10. 8 plus 2, 20.
12 plus, ma'am, 25.
Here?
3 plus 5, 7 plus 14.
16, this is
Ma'am,
16.
ma'am, 16.
1, 6. 1, 6.
What is the difference between these alternatives?
4, ma'am. 4.
4.
Which is not this
4 will come in 11 table.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, can I tell
if
one
the
example?
difference is, children, if you listen, if the difference is 0, then it is divisible by 11.
Ma'am, can I tell one example?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the example for the 11 one is ma'am, 5,36,756.
756.
56.
Now, Riyansh, what are alternative pairs?
Ma'am, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5.
5 plus 6 plus 5 is one pair. And another
3
alternative pair?
3 plus 7 plus 6.
3 plus 7 plus 6. Please, can you give the sum of these numbers?
Ma'am, it is 6. First is 16. First is 16. Second is 16.
What is the difference between these?
0.
Ma'am,
0 is this by
11.
0 is just
11
by
zeros are 0. Yes, it is divisible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Ma'am, can I tell the divisibility rules for 12, 15, 18, and 25?
Can we play small quiz, children, right now? Hope
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand.
It's just only 1 minute left, ma'am.
Children, any doubt in today's class?
No, ma'am.
If you are not getting, please put a ID to symbol, children, so that I can help you.
Now can we play quiz?
Yes, can we go with quiz?
Yes,
Yes,
there's
ma'am.
only 1 minute, right, ma'am? How can we play?
Yeah, that's true. Next anyway, tomorrow you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
exam.
Tomorrow's exam.
Tomorrow Sunday only it will be like quiz, ma'am.
Sunday,
Yes,
tomorrow
ma'am.
you have exam. Exam only.
Yes, ma'am. It will be like a big quiz.
Now your homework part today. Let me show your homework part. Just a minute, children.
Oh.
Your homework part is
Ma'am, is it some any of this concept application level, that one?
yeah. This
No,
is exercise. Your textbook exercise 3.3. This table you are supposed to do, children.
Ma'am, can we take this printout?
Yes, you can take a screenshot.
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, I have a.
Ma'am, I will just write the table in my Mac.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a soft copy.
You can take a screenshot, children, so that you can do that.
I have a that one. Just a second.
Right, ma'am. Only that first one, not second table, right?
Only this is the 3.3 is your textbook. Also, it is there, children. There are many bits in your textbook.
Ma'am, can you please let me take screen?
Yeah. Or else I will do the same thing.
Ma'am, I took a screenshot, ma'am.
I will post, children, in our
Ma'am,
group
the
also
soft
will-
copy of students also, ma'am, is having answers for every question.
Oh, you have these answers, but soft copy is not with you, right?
Ma'am, actually it is in the TOPER, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, complete.
Ma'am, can you scroll?
I think it is not complete, ma. It is only some part is there.
No, ma'am, it's complete, ma'am. I have the book ready with me from ma'am. All the chapters it is there.
Then it is easy.
Ma'am, we can see the answers of this homework now.
No, don't see the answers, children.
Ma'am, we can see it because you scroll down.
Okay,
that's why.
okay. Then no, this is you keep for your.
Ma'am, those are not.
No, you keep for
Not
your referee, Nana. Your referee, the other number.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, ma'am. After
Ma'am, can we leave?
ma'am, I'll just
You
check
can
the
leave, children. You can leave. Bye, children. Have a good day.
Ma'am, can I tell the divisibility